One with Nature gentle chair exercises have been designed to help you improve your blood circulation and make you feel relaxed and refreshed during your flight. To avoid prolonged inactivity, we advise you to perform these exercises every 2 to 3 hours during your flight. Please do not do any exercise that's in conflict with your doctor's advice. Adjust your seat to an upright position and make yourself comfortable. Place your palms on your legs. Keep your feet slightly open and parallel. Breathe fully. As you inhale, feel the belly expand. As you exhale, feel it contract. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and lengthen your spine. As you exhale, bring your right ear to your right shoulder. Inhale back to the center. Exhale your left ear to your left shoulder. Inhale back to the center. Continue. Inhale and draw your shoulders up. Exhale and gently lower them. Continue. Roll your shoulders back in a circular motion. Keep the flow of the breath. Place your hands in front of your heart. Inhale and reach up. Exhale and bring your arms down to your chest. Repeat. Intertwine your fingers and gently roll your wrists. Relax your elbows and let the motion flow. Reverse the direction. Make fists and open your hands, stretching the fingers. Relax your neck and shoulders. Try not to hold your breath. Extend your right arm and with the other hand gently draw the fingers back. Extend the left arm and repeat. Now with the palm facing you, draw the fingers towards you. Repeat with the other arm. Inhale and lift your heels off the floor. Exhale and lower your heels. Repeat. Raise your right leg and hold your knee with your hands. Make circles with your foot. Reverse the direction. Repeat the exercise with your left leg. Reverse the direction. Inhale and lengthen the spine. Exhale and twist to the right. Inhale back to the center. Exhale and twist to the left. Continue. With palms on your legs, gently move forward and then roll your back towards your seat. Continue flowing in this circular motion. Intertwine your fingers, turning the palms away from your chest. Inhale and raise your arms above your head. Exhale and bring your arms down. Inhale. Exhale.